Hey guys, Bree here from Barefoot Garden. I just wanted to show you, I started some more potato slips, and I'm sprouting some other types of potatoes as well. But I have used this little light that I got off of Amazon that helps plants sprout faster. And there's a couple different modes to this depending on what you are trying to sprout. So let me see if I got the colors right. Hold on. So there's going to be, let's see, different colors, and I'm not sure what the blue means, but I'll definitely have to look that one up. This one is a red light. This one is all of the spectrums that it offers. So this is actually, this little light has a clip and a control remote that's attached that has to be plugged in. You can also set it on a timer for 12, 6 hours, however you want on here. I think there's 3 settings. But I have been growing these potato slips for only 2 weeks, okay? So this light that we are using is working. You can actually see the vine, and it's trailing up one of my lights. And I don't know about you guys, but 2 weeks, I don't know if you can see that, worth of grow, that's pretty extravagant, as much as it's grown. So I'm getting ready to transfer these into a little bit more soil and then place it outside overnight. And I will probably be planting these into the ground because I have some in the baskets. I just want to see the difference of growing in ground versus baskets. But yeah, I'll do a video on that too for next time.